Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the TiviMate app on Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So let's head into the video step by step. Now, the first thing we need to do, the first step out of two, is that we're going to be enabling developers options. The ambition here is to make sure an application can download and install an app from an unknown source or install an unknown app. So we're going to go into all settings and then navigate down to find system. On the system, we're going to go to about and navigate to the model, Android TV, and you have Android TV OS build. So the build number is right here. I want to click on this build number 7 times. Clicking on it 7 times is going to enable the developers mode, and developers mode will allow you to install an app from an unknown source or use any installation application to install an app that is not known. So just click on Android OS build 7 times, as you see me doing right now, and you see a message saying you are now a developer. In my case, you can see saying no need, you're already a developer because I've done this before. So if you have done that and you're not a developer, just confirm that by seeing this option here in the system settings that says developer options. If you see that, you can move out and go back to the home screen. On the home screen, I want you to open the APK Time application. That's the application we're using for this installation. If you do not have this app, check the link in the description and you have a link with a tutorial. I will show you how to install this application on your Google TV. If you have it installed, click on the app and let's get into it. So on the app, you're going to be greeted with the first page showing you categories of applications, just like this. I'm navigating to players and browsers. Click on it and you can go ahead and scroll down this list. The application we're going to be downloading in this video and installing is the TiviMate app. You can find it close to the bottom of the list. You just scroll down and find the application right there. Now I've already downloaded this application, so all you need to do is click the download button. When the download button is green, it means the mouse is toggled on that button. You can click OK or the center button to begin the download. When the download completes, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and installation process will start. I'll give you step by step how to engage the installation process as I click my download button right now. Again, I've already downloaded the application, so clicking on download again will just bring the installation setup up. When you're done downloading, you see installation process set up like this. The app has staged and now I have the install button. If this is your first time, you're going to see a message saying unknown sources. So APK Time will not have permissions yet to install an application which is unknown. So go down on that list and click on the toggle enabling APK Time to turn on. If you have other apps like Downloader or some other apps, you see them on that list as well. You focus the APK Time, turn APK Time on, and that will give APK Time the permission to download and install an application to Google TV. If you have not become a developer yet, if you did not follow the first step, you will not see that message at all and you just find the setup failing. But if you have become a developer, if you have turned on APK Time and you cannot install an application, go ahead, click on the install button and just be patient for the installation process to complete. So after a few seconds is done, you can click on the done button or the open button to just launch the application. If you click on the done button, you can launch the application over in the apps drawer. So for now, I've launched the application, just put the open button here, and I'm told that for the app to operate correctly, I need to allow TiviMate to display over other apps. I can do that on this list in settings, where I can switch on and off apps, giving information to display over other apps. I just toggle on to the TiviMate application and turn it on, and I exit back. So now I have the TiviMate set up, and you can see right here I just need to put in a playlist and begin to enjoy the application. So if you found it insightful, if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel for content just like this.